Stop scrolling. This free YouTube method is going viral worldwide. Today we are going to create something 100% free and viral that actually works. Yes, completely free. You can see everything yourself. First of all, look at this channel, The Lovely Horror Show. It has 9.82 million subscribers, and if you check its videos, you'll see millions of views like 7.3 million, 31 million, 65 million, and many other videos that are extremely viral. Some of their videos even have 100+ million views, which will truly surprise you. If you have any doubt about whether this channel is monetized or not, let me show you right now. I open YouTube Social Blade and paste the channel link. As you can see, the channel appears with 9.82 million subscribers. According to Social Blade, the estimated income is $8,100 to $130,000 per month, and the yearly income can go up to $5.6 million. You can clearly see how high the earnings are. You can also make videos exactly like this, completely free. Today I'm starting a complete course where I will upload one video daily, absolutely free. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and let's get started. First, you need to open the channel from which you want to create the video. After opening the channel, use the snipping tool to crop the image. Once the image is cropped, save it properly. After saving the image, open ChatGPT. When ChatGPT is open, upload the image, and then write the text given below. I want to create a story about this exact type of character. Please create the same kind of character for me and give me a short story. Also give me 8 image prompts and make sure the character stays the same in each prompt. Now you can see that the story and prompts have been generated. The prompts are very detailed and impressive, and the story is also well written and powerful. You can create the same type of story and prompts easily. Now that the story and prompts are ready, next we want to create AI images. So for that, to create AI images, we will use a website called Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai is an excellent platform for generating high-quality AI images. First, open the website and set the image size to 9:16. Then select Phoenix 1.0. After that, paste the prompt in the prompt box. In a short time, the image generation will start. Paste the prompts one by one and repeat this process for all your prompts. Once completed, you will see how amazing the generated images are. Simply copy the prompts from ChatGPT, paste them into Leonardo.ai one by one, and download the image you like the most. Leonardo.ai is a powerful AI image generation platform that helps creators turn simple text prompts into high-quality visuals. It is ideal for artists, designers, and content creators who want to create concept art, illustrations, game assets, thumbnails, and posters. With advanced styles and customization options, Leonardo.ai makes it easy to generate realistic, cinematic, or fantasy images quickly and professionally. Now the AI images have been created, and you can see how amazing and high quality they are. Save all the images properly. After saving the images, we will create an AI voice. To create an AI voice, today we will use another new website called TTS OpenAI. Simply search for it, and the website will appear. Open it. It is a very powerful and impressive platform. After opening the website, log in using your Google Gmail account. Once you are logged in, the interface will look like this. You will see many voice options there. I recommend a very high-quality voice with an excellent tone called Tom. There is also an Alex voice, but I suggest using Tom. After selecting Tom, paste your prompt, click on Generate, then go to History. In a short time, the AI voice will be created. You can see that the voice is very clear, natural, and professional. You can use it like this to create high-quality AI voiceovers. To create AI videos, we will use 2 websites where you can make AI videos for free. The first website is Tomovi.ai. It is a very good and powerful platform. Open the website, then click on Try for Free. After clicking Try for Free, click on Google to log in. Once you log in, it will give you 80 free credits, which you can use to create AI videos daily. If you use a different Gmail account, you can get more credits as well. This is an excellent and amazing AI website that you can easily use to create videos for free. I also use this website, and you can make high-quality videos on it without any difficulty. I will go to the video generation section and click on it. Then I will upload the image. After uploading the image, I will paste its prompt and click on generate. In a short time, the AI video will start generating. You can see how high quality and impressive the AI video is. Next, in the same way, I will upload another image, paste its prompt, and the video generation will start again. The second website is called Digin.ai. It is an excellent and powerful platform for creating AI videos. It gives you 300 free credits, which are enough to create around 10 videos. After that, it also provides daily credits so you can continue making AI videos easily. As you can see, I currently have 5,200 plus credits because this account has been logged in for many days. That's why I can create a large number of videos on this platform due to the extra credits I have received. If you want to create more AI videos, Digin.ai is a great choice for you. The main benefit of this website is that even if you don't use it regularly, it still keeps adding daily credits automatically, just like in my account. Now, to create an AI video on this website, click on Create, then go to Upload and upload the first image. After that, paste the prompt for image 1 and click on Generate. The video generation will start. In the same way, upload the second image, paste its prompt, and start generating the video. It may take a little time, but within 10 to 15 minutes, you can easily create 2 high-quality AI videos on this platform. Now, you can use both of these websites to create AI videos daily for free. The AI videos are now ready, and they look very high quality and impressive. For the final step, I will use CapCut to edit the video. CapCut is a very good video editing software. It is easy to use, free, and packed with features like filters, effects, music, and transitions, making it perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here I will add my videos, apply effects, and complete the editing. Now my video is ready, as you can see. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions related to this video, feel free to message or comment. I will reply. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will bring another new method for you. Thanks for watching again.